enjoyed their stay.
Its review rating is 8.4, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel.
You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 3. Category 4. Category 5. Category 6. Room category 7. Category 8. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in.
The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
Location of the hotel is excellent. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. 8 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay.
Several rooms are available online for this hotel, along with tours and sightseeing recordings.
If you are planning to book it, you can use the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you.
If you have any future by promising to share your experience in the comments box.
If you are new on this channel,